What's up guys, in this video I'll show you how you can earn free Bitcoin just by logging in on a daily basis to this app I'm going to be revealing to you. And guys, mind you, this is a legit app. It's just like the Binance, KuCoin and the whole rest of them. And guys, please, if you are new to this YouTube channel, please make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so that we can grow this channel to 2,000 subscribers. Right now, let's head over to the video. Basically, this app is called OKEX. It's an exchange just like Binance, KuCoin, BitHub and the rest of them. But they have a reward center where you can do simple tasks like logging in app on daily basis, sharing your links with friends, referring people on daily basis, and you earn free money. So if you open the app, for the first time, this is if you open the app for the first time, I'm just going to switch back to the normal account. Okay, so this is what you're going to see once you open the app for the first time. Then you head over to those rewards right here, the reward center. Now these are some of the things that you have to do to earn free Bitcoin. The first one I'm going to show you here is this daily check-in. So this daily check-in is more like you log in every single day to just stop a 50 Satoshi claim will just pop up and you claim it. Okay, 50 Satoshi is just like you divide Bitcoin 0.000050, stuff like that. So that's 50 Satoshi for you, not 50 Bitcoin actually. So now, as you can see, I've claimed 2 days. I'm supposed to have 100 Satoshi balance here, but I use it in playing the guessing game, which I'm also going to show you in this video as well. So this is the first way to earn. You log in, then you claim your 50 Satoshi. Then the second one right here is that you can play a game. Okay, if you click on play now, it's going to take you to where if you want to play a game, you can play games to win some amounts of Bitcoin. Okay, and these are pools, like they pool coins together and people play to win. All right, so if you want to play, it will cost you some amount of Satoshi to play. Then you can also click on rules to read on the rules on how to play. All right. Then the third one there is the guessing game. Actually, is this yesterday. This guessing game is more like trading Bitcoin without capital, because if you have like 50 Satoshi balance, which is the minimum to guess, you have to guess if the market is going to go up 24 hours from that particular moment. As you can see, the one I placed here, I opened it around 5 p.m. yesterday. That is 17 hour yesterday. That was August. That's 5 p.m. right? So I still have like some couple of hours, 7 hours or roughly 8 hours here before this stuff will expire. So once it gets to that, the last minute of this time here that is counting, and the price, because I did a bet that Bitcoin was going to be above the price. Okay, so if the price of Bitcoin stays above that price from which I guessed, then I'm going to win some Bitcoins depending on the amount of pool that has been put. As you can see, we have 1.7 million Satoshi put together. All right, so that's another way to earn. Then another thing you can also do to earn here, mind you, these Bitcoins you are earning, they are real Bitcoins. Okay, they are really Bitcoins. They are not some virtual stuff that does not have value. They're actually real Bitcoins, so pay attention to that as well. Then another thing you can also do to earn is if you click on task, you see some things you can also do on this app to earn Satoshis. Okay, if you invite a friend, you can get 100 Satoshi. Then you come here and claim it. Then if you spot trade over 300 USDT, that's on the real account now, you get 100 Satoshi. If you do futures trade, if you predict games, stuff like that, you can also win 20 Satoshi. If you do a trade on the demo account, like if you want to win 100 Satoshi, you can just go to demo account. If you switch your app to a demo account and you do a trade and you win 100 Satoshi, if you are successful in that trade, then a lot of things you can do. So guys, this is basically how to use this app, okay, to earn free Bitcoin. So if you love this video, guys, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. All right, thank you and have a lovely day ahead. Bye.